This is a step-by-step tutorial on how to paint like Bob Ross.
The legend Bob Ross.
Only happy little accents happen here.
Only happy little accents. We're gonna need some brushes, palette and palette knife, canvas, and paint. First, paint a layer of white so things blend nicely. You already know. Get some red, make a nice sunset. This is the start of our sky. Then, take some blue. Also, this will also be a part of our sky. Look how beautiful. Paint some white in the middle. Gonna blend those colors real nicely. As you can see, yeah, gonna look like that. Then it should end up looking like that. So beautiful. Gonna start our mountains. Mountains, wanna make them, a little bit of a curvy triangle. Kind of look like a pita chip, perhaps. Like that. And you're gonna make a bunch of mountains. And then you kind of style, Gonna color in the mountains because mountains aren't see-through. I don't think they are. Okay. This is how we're gonna add some detail, some texture to the mountains that we just painted. Take your palette knife, do a little scraperoo. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Wow. Make some trees, plants, grass, whatever you want it to be. Happy little grass. Happy little trees. Anything your heart desires, that's what it's gonna be. That's grass, some ground, mud, jazz. Use the same mountain technique on the rock with the palette knife. Make ground with different shades of green. Light green, dark green, brown green, yellow green. Now, to that nice grass we just made, you're going to mix yellow and red to make orange. And you're just going to add some details with your nice little fan brush. Some dabs, Make that. Use all different shades, different styles, green, yellow, orange, red, all the fun stuff. And do that same motion with the fan brush or with yellow and green to add detail to the tree. Now, making clouds. Nice, beautiful, flashy, great clouds. Any style you want, I recommend, nice circular motion with your fan brush. And this is what it should look like up to this point. Now, I messed up. Don't go overboard with the water. It doesn't need it. Do this instead. Add just little thin strips of stuff, add a little detail, but not too much. Don't go overboard like I. Hope this helped you out. Hope you enjoyed. And I hope you believe that I am the next Bob Ross.